I love a nice cul-de-sac location. And when it's a cul-de-sac in my favorite neighborhood, Beacon Hill North, even better. Stick around and you'll see what makes today's listing so great. Our team's newest listing is at 2045 Deerhurst Court. This home has some wonderful things going for it. First of all, it's on a cul-de-sac, which means that it's quiet, you can play street hockey out on the road, and in the winter, you get that great big pile of snow that the kids can go burrow around in. Second of all is the great big pie-shaped lot. It's deep, it's private, has a huge deck for barbecuing or entertaining. And then finally, you're in Beacon Hill North, so the neighborhood has all kinds of things that are going your way. Before we take you through the home, Kareem is going to show you a little bit more about Beacon Hill North.
Welcome to Beacon Hill North, arguably Ottawa's favorite neighborhood for families. If you're growing and you want to be in a well-established space with everything nearby, this is going to be right for you. You're just a short walk away from Colonel By Secondary School, one of the top-ranked schools in the country. Commuting is a breeze thanks to the nearby Montreal Road LRT station, part of the expanding Confederation line. It connects to downtown or across the city in minutes. And when it's time to unwind, you're just steps from the Ottawa River Pathway system. Parks, splash pads, community centers, and the Gloucester Centre, it's all nearby, it's all here, and all adds up to the perfect space for a growing family.
This home was built in 1972 and offers over 1,770 square feet above ground with a full basement ready for your personal touch. This home features a welcoming foyer, a formal living and dining room, and an updated kitchen with maple wood cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. There's even a spacious family room with a fireplace.
Outside is where this home truly shines. It's a pie-shaped lot which allows for a big backyard. You've got full fencing and a beautiful deck.
My favorite part is the location. You're steps away from Colonel By, Ski Hill Park, and just a short hop from the LRT.
And there's so much more to it, like the upgraded windows, newer roof, and furnace. Check out the pre-list home inspection, floor plans, and more at nickfunditis.ca.
Interested? Let's get you in for a showing. Do you know someone who would love to live on this quiet court? Have them reach out to us, share the video with them, and we'll be happy to help them make their perfect move in Beacon Hill North. See the showing? We can get you, no, I'm just saying extra words.
You've got full fencing,
catchment, and close to amenities and close, nah.
It's perfect for those who are growing and needing some things right nearby.